We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Disclaimer, I am not a professional. Please watch these videos at your own risk. These videos for entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Friends and family on Telegram. Families and friends will prosper. Now, let's pick up for business. Okay, guys, we are marking up EUR, JPY. Take a look at what's going on in the market. We are on a monthly time frame. Let's head over to price, see what's going on. So price action is currently a bearish candle. So let's figure out what's going on in that market. So price goes up. We know price is going to have to break this area, this high here. Price comes down. Price be trying to break this area, this level here. Let's read the market to see if we find any patterns in the market. So if you look at price action, something's trying to form in this area here. So price action, highest highs, lowest lows, do the midpoint right in the middle, where we can see that market broke. The midpoint came back to retest, and it was looking like it was going to push up. So it was doing some type of retest currently right now on that monthly time frame. What's going on around the price action lows? It's coming from a pattern. There's a double bottom. So we have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retesting this area. Market pushed up once, came back down. Market pushed up twice, came back down. Market pushed up a third time, and now we're sitting right here. So average, the market just pushed 3 times. The market can drop from the average of 3. It also can push one more time, which would be the final time that market could push up. So let's head down the time frame to see if we see anything. Headed down to the weekly. Okay, so price action, highest highs, lowest low. So it broke that midpoint here during that first section of the highest high in the midpoint overall. So let's see what's going on. Market pushed up to a high. We got some type of single top and a retest. That market pushed down once, twice, 3 times. Came back down to that low. Also broke that midpoint area as well. It's a pattern in this area here. There's a W, so that which pushed that market up. We do see that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Okay, market came back to retest that midpoint, but they didn't end up breaking up for that full formation, that W. So we did get that break up to the downside of that midpoint. So all we're waiting for the market to break as it's currently doing. We're looking for a few candles to come back for that retest, that market coming back down to that midpoint. If it does, that market could come right back up. Let's see what we see. Headed down to the daily time frame. So we have price action, highest highs, lowest lows. So we can see that market broke that midpoint of that first level that we created. And we did get the break. So it looks like we have a bullish candle. So this market could be working its way back up for that retest, for that breaking retest, for that market to drop down. If not, then this could be an area of consolidation. That market could, consolidate in that area and then break down further. So it may not go back up to that high, but we are looking for that overall break retest of that structure for that market to drop back down. Head down to 4 hour, see what we see. Okay, so we do have that area of consolidation happening on that 4. So once that market pushed down from that high, market consolidated. So on the 4 hour, we do see a break and retest. Got that break, retest, market pushed down once, market pushed down twice, market pushed down 3 times, and it still pushed one more time. So this is why the consolidation happening. So we don't know what type of pattern it's going to be. We don't know if it's going to be an M, the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Right after retest currently right now, the market could drop back down. If not, is respected with the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg retest as it currently at with the doji or the 4 hour, the market could push up. So let's read, or it, last but not least, the market could just continue consolidate until we get that breakout to the upside or breakout to the downside. Headed down to the 3. So we still got that W pattern, first, second, third, fourth. We see that retest. So market just extended. Same consolidation. So still got the same. Market still consolidating on 2, 3, 2, 1. So with price on the 1 hour, it's currently sitting here. We got the highest highs. Market sitting at the area of support. We also got a spike down from the previous 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candle. This could be an area of support that market could turn right back around and shoot up. May or may not, but we can see that area of consolidation that market's still in. So we don't know if that's going to be overall first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market pushed up once, retest, market pushed up again, or we just get that M pattern that's going to get respected for that first, second, third, fourth, retest, market push down once, retest, market push down twice. We still at a midpoint of consolidation. But if we look at price action currently right now, at 1 hour, is a doji. If we get that candle to that body of this previous candle, last active candle in the market to engulf the previous candle, that market could push up. Head it down to the 45 to see what we see. Okay, we see that slight incline that the market is doing. So you can see that market working its way up, but it's still the area of consolidation. So I would let this market finish doing what it's doing, but it does look like it's working its way up back up to the upside. Headed down to 30. So we can see that area of support. So here, and we got the area of support here. And then we got that incline for this support here. And we got a spike down the second to last candle on the 30-minute time frame, which showing that look like that market's going up. We can also see that last active candle in the market, bullish candle. So the market engulfs this area here. So you want this last active candle to engulf the previous candle and also engulf the previous wick of this area. If it close out above this area here, create a horizontal line, ray here, SR line. So if it breaks this point here, the market will be headed up. Close out though on that 1 hour, and which we have about 10 minutes and 34 seconds left for that to happen. You can see it pushing up. Also, we can clearly see we have a formation of a W. We have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. So it's doing that breakout currently right now. And all we're doing is waiting for that market to push up, come back down to retest. We look for some entry right here for that market to shoot up to higher highs. And then it'll break level to level. So it'll break this level, it'll head over to this level, it'll head over this level, and so on. Work way back up. So that's when you're going to see them break, retest, break, retest, break, retest. Headed down to the 5. Okay, we got something forming right here. We got a break. We look at that candle like it's on the opposite side. We don't know what it's going to do. So that could be the retest candle. May or may not be. It's red, so it could be. Once we get a white candle and go off that, that market's going up. Headed down to the 3. We can see some type of support area here. First off, we see the incline. That's 1. Okay, 2, we have a leg right here, which will create an area of support. And we got that incline working right here with the area of support as well for that second leg, showing that that market is working its way up. So we still look for that market to break and retest on that 3-minute time frame for the market to do what it do. Headed down to the 1. And now the 1 is identifying. We did get we got a double bottom here. So it's a double bottom. I think it'll retest. Let's read it. We have the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. Market pushed up once. Coming back down for that retest currently. And let's see if it respects our resistance line and break back up. So we got to wait around to see if that's going to happen. Hey guys, very important information. Please study and review Forex pattern cheat sheet. Okay, looking for market patterns. So once you see that wedge pattern currently see here, we wait for that market to break out, retest that top end or the resistance, market shooting up. Very important information, guys. Please read and understand the breakout and retest strategy. The market is at an area of resistance. What's going to happen? When the market at an area with support, what's going to happen? Hey guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. EUR